Writing emails doesn't have to take up your time. ChatGPT can help you draft them in seconds. Let's see how. Say you need to follow up with a customer after a test drive. Instead of starting from scratch, you can ask ChatGPT. Write a professional follow-up email thanking a customer for their test drive and offering to answer any questions. In just a few seconds, you'll have a well-structured email that you can tweak and send. Now let's put this into practice. You just received a referral from Tom Smith. His boss is interested in an RX 350 and currently drives a BMW X5. He's always busy and wants to be emailed first. Your challenge: use ChatGPT to draft an email introducing yourself and starting the conversation. Copy the generated email, refine it to make small adjustments if needed, then send your final version to mail.wowza@gmail.com. Give it a try today. You'll see how fast and easy it is to create emails with ChatGPT.
Use AI, sell more cars, drive the future, reach the stars, with a friend so smart, close at hand.